Hello, everyone. So, today we are back with our next lecture in the series of placements. So, today we are going to discuss about various tools, various AI tools that will be beneficial for you to prepare for your mock interviews before appearing for the real interview. So, today we have with us our alumni Smriti Kapoor, who will be giving us all the AI tools in detail. So, Smriti, I welcome you here, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. So,
So, now
my name is Smriti. My name is Smriti Kapoor, and I am working as a Salesforce tester for one of the startup in Mohali as it. So, this is my introduction. So, ma'am, can you can start?
Okay, Smriti. So my first question is, what are some of the most popular AI tools available for practicing mock interviews? Because those play a major role in developing the confidence and body language of a student.
Yes, ma'am. So, can I share my screen? So, as we all know the generative AI and LLMs we have like Gemini from Google, ChatGPT by OpenAI, and clauses by Anthropic. So these are regular AI programs that we regularly use. So these are also used in for mock interviews as well. So I will be showing you like this is the prompt you can use for ChatGPT. Like as a software tester or a software developer, I want mock interviews to be prepared for me. So before we proceed, you can ask. So I will show you. Like we have, I will. So as I said the prompt, जो भी प्रॉम्प्ट होगा तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो क्वेश्चंस देगा, मतलब कि अगर उसको कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछने होंगे तो वो आपको पूछेगा like explain the difference between functional testing. These are basic questions which we use for manual testing, or for automation you have to specify that you have like experience in Java, Python, or whatever language, as the same for the software developer also. These were some of the examples for, like, we can say, for the questions only, but I have prepared a few for you like this also. As I prepared, give three coding problems and a timer to solve them the mock interview. So as you know, in interviews like Infosys or TCS or any other technical rounds, the coding rounds, you have these types of questions. The input is this, output is this, and you have 10 minutes of time. And same goes for the second question, third question. So it has specified the time as well, that this question should take 10 minutes, this reversal English should take 15 minutes, and it also should take 15 minutes. For this you can use VS Code or whichever code language you are comfortable, and whichever platform you are comfortable, you can use that. Solve it. At the end you can provide the question answers to this, and like it has written, let's start. After each question submit your solution and I will give you the feedback. So this is what we can do with chat gpt. Same, we have like technical skills you can enhance by lead code, hacker rank, CodeByte. You all know about these. So for technical skills you can enhance from this, like for personal skills like Remosto, Interview Boss AI, Interview by AI. These are some of the tools. There are many tools that you give the profile, you give the company you are preparing for. So I will be sharing with links with the ma'am. You can take that from ma'am if
So basically, you want to
everyone is
say that
comfortable.
You want to tell everybody that
Yes, ma'am.
AI tools, they simulate the real interview scenarios effectively? Like you have appeared
Uh,
for so many
Not
interviews, so
exact.
okay.
Ma'am, not exactly the same, but it provides the feedback that your body structure was not good in this interview. Like we have many interviews, online interviews, and we are afraid of opening our mic. Like we have some interviews that I'm shy of opening up my mic and I fumble at that. Some
Mhm.
students are there for that. You can use AI to enhance your confidence for that. But it almost is related to what human does, that the first I said remosto, it will show you the question that for this role you are applying, and please give me the description for that.
Mhm.
And second question will be based on the question answer that you have given to that. Like mostly interviewers ask from the answer, well, like if a interviewer has asked me what is oops concept and I have said object oriented programming, then the second question of the interviewer will be what is object in Java. Like I have supposed I have specified a language Java, so again they will ask what is object, can you explain it. So same goes with this. अगर आपने उसको प्रॉपर दिया है कि मुझे कौन सी कंपनी चाहिए, इन्फोसिस के लिए आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग, टीसीएस के लिए आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग, विप्रो के लिए वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग, सो इट गोज विद लाइक दैट कि कौन सी कंपनी के लिए दे विल आस्क द पास्ट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस दैट ऑलरेडी interviewers have asked some of them.
So what do you suggest that how often should students use AI tools in their preparation process for the placements?
I guess we have technical AI tools like LeetCode, HackerRank. They should use it regularly to enhance their coding skills. Because in LeetCode, mostly questions are like that, which are asked in the interviews. Mostly people ask, they have basic level, intermediate level, like that.
Okay.
But for preparation, I can say for the confidence building, you can use it. You for not like I am only dependent on AI, you should prepare it verbally, then go to AI that I am confident enough to answer these questions, that I have prepared this topic and I am confident in that. Should I ask the chat GPT that, ma'am, nobody has that much time. If you organize interviews, you can organize it for 1, 2 or 3 interviews. अब हमारे टाइम पे जैसे कराते थे मॉक इंटरव्यूज, आई होप आपने इनके टाइम पे भी कराई है और कराओगे अभी।
Mhm.
तो आई गेस आप एक इंटरव्यू, 2 इंटरव्यू, 3 इंटरव्यू, इवन दीज टूल्स ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड योर फीडबैक फॉर रिज्यूमे ऑल्सो। सो रिज्यूमे का क्या है कि रिज्यूमे आप अपलोड करते हो, जैसे जो इंटरव्यू बाय बॉस एआई और इंटरव्यू बाय एआई का टूल जो मैंने मेंशन करा था, उसमें
Mhm.
यू हैव टू give the resume to them, and it can specify your resume also कि आपके रिज्यूमे में ये गलती है, ये गलती है.
Okay, so
So any
yeah, Smriti, just
yes.
let me know one thing that which site you means you have discussed so many sites. So which site is better for coding interview practice? Which one for technical interviews and which one for like if anybody wants to prepare for data science or ML interviews? So how they can and moreover, Quarks interview will also be coming. So can you just suggest something they should prepare from this?
Yes, ma'am. For lead code, I guess lead code is best for technical.
Okay.
Not the best. They both, three of them are good because they have some level like intermediate level, beginner level, and high class level. And
Mm-hmm.
even they provide certifications to you. You can even mention that I have scored this much. Hackathons, like they perform hackathons, they give you certificates for that also. You can participate in that as well, and you can mention that in your resume as well ki I have scored this much rank in the hackathon of like hacker rank or lead code. There are in lead code, I know I use lead code for my coding. In lead code they have 100 days 100 challenge, 100 questions 100 days challenge, like that. 10 days का 10 questions का challenge होता है, 1 day per question, and you have to solve that each day among all over the India or some worldwide.
Yeah, lead code,
So
everybody
you
is
know,
telling that IITians, NITians, everybody use lead code for their practice. So, what do you
yes,
suggest? Because we have with us mostly the third year students. So, what do you suggest to them that how they should start preparing with these sites from third year onwards?
मैम लीड कोड के कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, दे प्रोवाइड सम बेसिक क्वेश्चंस लाइक अब तक तो एवरीवन नोज कि कौन सी लैंग्वेज दे शुड गो, कि जावा का जाना है, जावा स्क्रिप्ट में जाना है, पाइथन में जाना है, एंड आई गेस इनकी इंटर्नशिप्स हो गई होंगी मैम इस टाइम तक तो,
हाँ, टू
जो
मंथ्स
सेकंड
months, yeah, 2 months.
2 मंथ्स। तो उसके बाद तो एवरीवन नोज कि मुझे इसमें इंटरेस्ट है या कुछ, बिकॉज इट इज़ द बेस फाउंडेशन, एवरीवन इवन IITians आल्सो से कि it is the base foundation to know which industry I'm going to. So for that I suggest कि लीड कोड के ना कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, फर्स्ट 10-20 क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग देम। उसके बाद दे हैव बिगिनर लेवल, सॉरी इंटरमीडिएटर लेवल, देन हाई लेवल। डोंट गो फॉर फर्स्टली आई हैव नॉलेज ऑफ दिस। उनके पहले बेसिक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, यू विल गेट बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। मतलब सब कुछ आपको ऑन प्लेटर मिलेगा कि एक एक क्वेश्चन आपको, जैसे स्ट्रिंग का सॉल्व, जैसे सब कुछ स्ट्रिंग में मतलब जैसे वी हैव स्ट्रिंग्स, वी हैव लिस्ट, टपल्स, सब कुछ, मतलब उनमें सब कुछ आपको सॉल्व करने को मिलेगा कि एक एक क्वेश्चन उसका टॉपिक वाइज होता है। फर्स्ट सॉल्व दैट, फिर उसके बाद यू सॉल्व द बेसिक, फिर इंटरमीडिएट, फिर हाई लेवल। फोर्थ ईयर तक तो दे विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर देयर इंटरव्यूज, लाइक वी कैन सॉल्व दिस, दे विल गेट द नॉलेज ऑफ इट कि हमें कैसे सॉल्व करना है। जैसे कुछ लोगों कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता होता कि हाउ टू सॉल्व दीज टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन, कि इनपुट दिया हुआ है, आउटपुट दिया हुआ है, एंड दे थिंक कि हमें तो कोडिंग आती है, सो फॉर दैट इट इज बेनिफिशियल।
Okay, and what about the HR rounds? Means if they want to prepare for the HR mock interviews, so which site you prefer them to use?
Ma'am, for I mentioned that Remosto interview AI, they are only for they have technical skills also, but they mention mostly questions like HR, introduce yourself, how much experience do you have being a fresher, you have these skills like you have mentioned in your resume that.
So she has given almost all the tools that can be used. So I think, Smriti, that's all for now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
So basically, when we prepare for our interviews, mock interviews play a very important role in preparing you for the main interviews for which you are going to get a job. So kindly go through all these sites, prepare for your technical interviews, prepare for your HR interviews, and all the best, everybody. Thank you so much. God bless you.